Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 2 update with Nikki. So how's it going, Nikki, so far?
It's going better this week, a little easier this week than last.
That's good, that's good. So did you lose any weight so far?
I've lost 5 pounds total.
Okay,
Yeah.
so was it like challenging to lose 5 pounds over the last 2 weeks or?
It didn't feel as challenging as other times when I've been dieting. I feel like I've restricted some things and cut things back, but because of the knowledge, it's made it a little bit easier.
Okay, so when you say knowledge, like where are you getting the knowledge from?
Just the stuff that you've provided, going to your courses and the videos that you've supplied and the knowledge that you've given us through these things, it's really just eye-opening.
I think it will accelerate weight loss if we just start doing that right away from day one, or we have to do it this way?
No, I like doing it that helps me to understand why you don't start right at day 1, but you're still doing something to help your body along the way.
Right.
My goal for week 10 is 185, so that would be 20 pounds down.
Let's see what will happen over the coming 8 weeks.
Okay, thank you.
Very good. Thank you.